As a few of you already know, I'm going to be hosting a group trip to Bali this October from the 22nd to the 28th, and it's going to be an insane week full of bucket list experiences, and we're going to have new travel besties from all around the world. So I wanted to quickly run you through the day-by-day itinerary. Day one is going to be arrival day. So for those who arrive early, I'm going to do a little informal meet-up where we can just get to know each other, meet each other before the actual welcome dinner, which we're going to be having later on in the evening. So for the first section of the trip, we're going to be exploring Ubud. So Ubud is very lush. There's lots of waterfalls, rice terraces. So for day two, we're going to have breakfast at the hotel every single morning because there's breakfast is included every day. After that, we're going to head to the monkey forest and explore the monkey forest. We'll have a local guide with us all the time as well, so don't worry, I'm not going to be your guide. And then we're going to head to the markets in Ubud. We can pretty much do whatever we want for the evening. Day three, we'll enjoy breakfast together at the hotel before heading to the Kanto Lampo waterfall, which looks absolutely insane. I've seen so many pictures of it on Instagram and TikTok. Once we've enjoyed a refreshing swim at the waterfall and we've got our Instagram pics, we're going to head to a water purification ceremony, which is going to be such a cool experience. After that, we're going to go to a restaurant for lunch, which is overlooking the rice terraces, which is like iconic for Ubud. In the mid to late afternoon, we're going to get a transfer back to our hotel, and then we can enjoy the rest of the evening at our own leisure. Day four, we're going to have breakfast at the hotel, and then we're going to head to a Balinese farming and cooking experience. When it comes around to the cooking class, we're going to be using ingredients that were grown on that farm. So that's going to be really cool to see. And then after that, we'll hop on a transfer to Canggu, which is where we're going to spend the rest of our trip. And Canggu is such a cool surf town. There's lots of backpackers there. There's so many cute cafes. So we'll get to have like beach life and also the lush green waterfall life in Ubud. So we'll get the best of both worlds. On day five, we have a free morning to explore Canggu. So I'm definitely keen to rent a surfboard and go out for a surf. If you want to join me, that would be so much fun. Obviously, this isn't included in the trip price, but renting a surfboard in Canggu is pretty easy and cheap. And if you haven't surfed, a lesson is also quite affordable to book as well if you don't feel comfortable with just renting a board and going out. And then when sunset time rolls around, we're going to be heading to Tanah Water Temple. It's one of the most famous temples in Bali, and it's right on the water. Once we've explored the beaches around the temple and we've got our photos, we're going to walk to a nearby restaurant for a sunset drink and dinner. And for either day 5 or 6, I really want to get together with a group and do a sunrise walk along the beach. I think that would be really cute. And then there's an optional Balinese massage as well. I'm definitely going to be doing that. And then that comes to the end of our trip. So we're going to be heading to a beach club in Canggu for a sunset cocktail and dinner. We're going to get to talk about all of our amazing memories, hopefully talk about what trip we're going to go on next. Day 7, we'll be having a final breakfast together and we'll be saying our goodbyes, which will be so sad. But hopefully that will be just the start of some lifelong friendships. I'm really excited for this. The last chance for booking on is coming up next month. So if you do want to join, make sure to secure your spot now. You can secure your spot by putting down 25% of the trip, and then you can pay the rest up to 90 days before. So no rush on paying the full amount now. Comment below if you have any questions or send me a DM and we can chat through it. I hope to see you guys in Bali. Bye.